So there are other Squarespace tutorials out there, but I wanted to create one that was up to date with the latest changes Squarespace have rolled out, and one that helps you first decide whether Squarespace is the right platform for you. So we'll look at some of the pros and cons of using it, and then lets you quickly start building and cuts through a lot of the unnecessary advanced options. We're not going to go through every menu in detail, but I'm going to show you the quickest possible way to start designing something that looks polished and professional. Squarespace is a fantastic option for those wanting to dive into professional web design, but minus the long learning curve of options like WordPress, which I also use, by the way. If you're great at designing and creating, but you don't like the idea of coding or developing, then this is a great option. You can really create very impressive results with a minimum investment of time. Hi, I'm Jason Miller, a graphic and web designer based in London. I have over 10 years experience, and I've spent over 7 years working with both Squarespace and WordPress as platforms. So this class is divided into 3 parts. Firstly, I'll provide a comprehensive overview and answer some frequently asked questions, which I'm sure you have too. What is Squarespace? What are the pros and cons of using it? How long will it take to become familiar enough to build websites? And how much control or freedom does Squarespace give you over your design? After the first section, you should be in a good position to decide whether this is for you or not. In the second section, I'll give you a refined, streamlined tutorial on designing using Squarespace. This section is really designed to orient you and get you designing and creating using the platform as soon as possible. For best results, I'd recommend following along and actually creating your own sample website. As I guide you through this, I'll be creating my own sample website for Evoke Brewery, a fictional brand I created in my last Skillshare class. And lastly, with an understanding of how Squarespace works and having now created your own sample website, I'll share with you some tips, tricks, and best practice that I've picked up during my time creating websites with Squarespace. And that's it. The class project is to follow along and create your own sample website using a free Squarespace trial account. So I'm ready for this. When you're ready, let's get started.